So I've got this funny little space in my house, and as you can see, nothing is happening, and it's driving me absolutely nuts because it's just calling my name. It's saying, do something. Now, I'm sure some of you out there can relate to exactly what I'm saying. So what is a girl to do? I designed 3 individual paintings. They're simple. They're really not complex at all. But what I wanted to do, I wanted them simple, but I wanted them to be loaded with lovely, delicious color. That's what I needed to take my space from 0 to hero. Once I did that, I popped off to Mr. Price and bought myself 3 frames. They were relatively inexpensive, simple to put together, popped the paintings in there, and it was so exciting to hang them on the wall and just to stand back and see what a pop of color can do to what I thought was a very boring space. And then I came up with this idea. I can't be the only one sitting out there needing to take a space from 0 to hero. So here's my idea. Wait for it. It's coming. So if you're anything like me and you want to decorate that space in your house and you want to do it yourself because you've got all this creativity bursting to come out, I've got the answer for you. Especially if you're like me and you want to do it right now. Just pop me an email. What I've done is I've taken those 3 original artworks and I've done a line drawing of each one of them separately, obviously. And if you drop me an email for only 130 Rand, I will pop these over to you via email. You can then print them out onto the paper color of your choice. And what you can do is you will then get a list of the paints that you will need, the colors, and the size paintbrushes that you will need. Then the world is your oyster. You can go ahead and master your own creation. And I'm telling you, it's such fun because there's no mixing of colors here. Straight from the tube onto your piece of paper. You get yourself an A4 frame and whoops, whoops, in it goes. And before you know it, you've just got this beautiful artwork on your wall. And you're not frustrated about that space that's just been driving you nuts. So, Kim at kimpink.co.za. Drop me an email.